Welcome back. I'm Jill with the carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you our favorite recipe for jalapeno popper dip. And if you love jalapeno poppers, you're not going to want to miss this one. This is one of our all-time favorite appetizers and favorite football foods. Okay, so to get started, here are the ingredients that you are going to need. Okay, so for my ingredients, I have 2 packages of cream cheese. I've got some sour cream, some mozzarella cheese, and then I'm gonna slice up some green onions. I've got some bacon crumbles here, some bacon bits, and then I have a can of diced jalapenos and a can of green chilies. Okay, and then for the topping, I'm actually going to use some Ritz crackers, but you could use like some cheesy crackers if you wanted, or even some saltine crackers would probably work really good on this. And then I have a little bit of Parmesan cheese and then a little bit of melted butter. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to preheat my oven to 375 degrees. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to do is slice up my green onions here, and I need about 1/4 cup of green onions. So we'll just thinly slice this, and then I'm also going to chop just a few extra for on top of our dip when it's done. It's fun to like garnish it with a few things that are in it so that people know kind of what they're taking a scoop out of. Okay, and then I just have my big bowl here, and I'm going to put in, I'm just going to estimate about 1/4 cup of green onions. And the next thing I'm going to do is add in my cream cheese, and this is just room temperature cream cheese. You can use the lighter kind or the full fat version. Either one works great. And then on my sour cream, it calls for 1 cup, and I'm just going to estimate on that. Okay. And then for the cheese, this calls for 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And again, I'm just going to estimate on that. And then about 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. And then I'm going to add in 1 can of jalapenos and 1 can of green chilies, and then 1/2 cup of bacon. And that bacon has already been cooked. Okay, and you can do this in a stand mixer, a mixer, just a handheld mixer, or you can just use your elbow grease like I'm doing and just mix it all up. Okay, I think we're ready. Okay, and then for this dip, I'm going to spray my pan with some non-stick cooking spray. And you can use an 8x8, 9x9. This might be just a little bit bigger than that, but just a dish that will fit all of your ingredients here. Okay, then just use the back of your spoon and smooth that all out in your dish. Okay, and then for my topping here, I am going to crush up some crackers. It doesn't need to be super, super fine, so just crush some up here. Okay, I need 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, and then I need about 1 cup of crumbs, cracker crumbs here. There we go. Okay, and then I need about 1/4 cup of butter, and I'm actually just going to use my hands here and mix this up. It should be kind of a fine crumb or maybe like a wet sand consistency. And then I have my yummy popper dip here, and I'm just going to pour that on and then spread it out. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, so now that we have that all combined, we're going to let that bake in a preheated 375 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and the top is golden brown. Here is my rendition of jalapeno popper dip. and it's one of our all-time favorite appetizers or favorite party foods. It has everything we love, it's cheesy and spicy, and you can serve it with sliced vegetables or your favorite crackers. Thank you so much for watching this episode at the Carefree Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I'll show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.